From service to strength, from questions to choice, guidance you trust, her vet voice.
Hello, YouTube. Welcome to Her Vet Voice. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Her Vet Voice. If you are new here, we on this channel break down news, benefits, and real issues impacting veterans in plain language, right? So today we are talking about something big that is happening inside the VA healthcare system in 2026. And that is the nationwide rollout of AI Scribe technology, right? Now, I know the moment you hear AI listening during your appointment, you might be like, hold on, what's going on, her vet? What's going on? So let's break this down a little bit so you guys can get an understanding about exactly what's happening. So, first, what is VA AI Scribe? The VA is introducing something called the Ambient AI Scribe. And let me bring it to the stage so you guys can see. This is what it looks like. The Ambient AI Scribe. This tool is a tool that is going to be listening during your medical appointment and automatically creates medical notes for your provider. That means instead of your doctor typing the whole time, the AI scribe is capturing the conversation and turning it into your medical records. And here's the key. Your provider is still going to review and approve everything before it goes into your file. Now, this isn't something that's coming in the future. It has already started. The VA launched this back in 2025 at selected locations, and now in 2026, they're expanding it to VA medical centers across the country. So, yes, this is happening nationwide. Now, let's talk about how it actually works during your appointment when you go in, and your provider will let you know if the AI scribe is being used. You have to give consent, meaning you can say yes or no. Okay. You have a choice. You do not have to say yes. You can say yes or you can say no. Then, if you agree, the system then listens to your conversation in real time and identifies what's medically important, and then it creates structured notes. Your provider will then review it, edit it if needed, and sign off of it before it becomes part of your record. So remember, the provider is going to review it, edit it, sign off on it before it becomes part of your record. So, no, the AI is not making the medical decision. It's just helping with documentation. Okay? So, let's talk about the benefit of this for a little bit, because there are some real benefits here. Number one, you get more face-to-face time instead of your doctor looking at a computer, typing. They can actually look at you and have more focus on you, like listen to you, focus on your care. Number two, you get better documentation because the AI is capturing every single thing in real time. It can reduce missing details in your records. And number three, less burnout for providers. Now, we know sometimes when you go to your appointments, there's so much that you have to talk about that the doctor sometimes can miss some very pertinent information. And this is where the AI scribe would come into play. Now, we also have to look at doctors are spending hours after work finishing notes. And this tool can reduce that workload significantly. And then when providers are less stressed, they actually are better for veterans. They're usually, better. Now, let's talk about the concerns because we have to keep it real over here. And, we tell it like it is. first, privacy, right? The system is listening during your appointment. Even though it's secure and HIPAA compliant, some veterans may not feel comfortable with that. And second, accuracy. AI is not perfect. There's always a concern about errors in documentation, which is why providers' review is very critical. Third, the most important, oversight, right? Now, already reviewing how the AI is being used to make sure that it's safe and it's effective. So, this is still being watched very closely. Now, here's the bottom line. This technology is designed to improve your experience, not replace your provider. The goal is simple: more conversation, less typing. But like anything involving AI, it's going to take some time, trust, and accountability to get it right. So I want to ask you, would you feel comfortable with AI being used during your VA appointment? Would you say yes or would you opt out? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I definitely want to hear from you if you would like it or if you wouldn't like it. If this video has helped you understand what's coming with VA healthcare, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe and share this with another veteran. As always, I thank you for your service and I'll definitely see you around soon. Take care. Bye.
You're not alone, you got a voice. Stand strong, stay informed.